Hey guys, it's Brian. So as of December 22nd, President Trump has said he will not sign the second stimulus package. So in this video, we're going to go over all his reasons why, and then my opinions why afterwards. So if you guys enjoy these stimulus package updates, don't forget to hit the like button because it does help me out a lot. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates as well. So the $900 billion stimulus package was passed in the House of Representatives, and then it moved on to the Senate, where it was passed there. So the final last step was that it needed to be signed by President Trump, but he has decided not to go through with that for a couple of reasons. He first mentioned that the bill was just too different than anticipated. It's been about 9 months from the previous stimulus package, so in that time, the expectations were different than how the bill turned out to be, and he also called it a disgrace. Instead of the $600 relief payment, President Trump wants to see $2,000 for all individuals, which would make $4,000 for couples. In addition, the bill was 5,000 pages long, and he said no one had enough time to at least read the details of it, and AOC, a member of Congress, also agreed and said that Congress needed much more time, that it was over 5,000 pages, it arrived at 2 p.m., and they were expected to vote 2 hours later the same day. So members of Congress may have had a general idea of how the bill was going to be, but they definitely didn't have enough time to read each of the details and see what exactly went inside the bill. President Trump expected the bill to be a relief bill for the pandemic, but in actuality, there was a lot completely unrelated included in the 5,000 pages. Inside the 5,000-page stimulus package, he goes on to list $85 million for assistance to Cambodia, $134 million to Burma, $1.4 billion to Egypt and their military, who will buy Russian military equipment, $154 million for National Gallery of Art, which isn't even open right now, $3 million for poultry production technology, $566 million for construction projects in the FBI, and he goes on to mention a lot of other reasons. He goes on to say that there's a lot of wasteful spending in the bill, and there's a lot more foreign aid going towards other countries instead of helping Americans directly. Even a US senator posts on Twitter that when a big bill like this comes together, your job as a lawmaker is to try to get as many of your legislative and funding priorities into the text as possible. So for those reasons, I completely agree that the bill shouldn't have been passed. There's just too much other stuff crammed into the bill, which is completely unrelated to the pandemic and helping out Americans directly. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this update, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.